In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could sell brain rots here in Kick a Lucky Block on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is go ahead and get whatever brain rot it is that you're trying to sell. For example, we'll go ahead and get this guy right here. He's going to pop up in your inventory. You could also just open up your inventory if he's sitting in here and you could take him out. But essentially, once you have the brain rot that you're trying to sell, go ahead and make your way over to this little sell option over on the left hand side, over kind of by where the most cash option is over here. Walk up to this sell, interact with the buyer, and then of course once you interact with the buyer you have to hit sell this brain rot and it's going to sell it for whatever the value of that brain rot actually is. Most of the times you're not going to get that much money for selling a brain rot, so just keep that in mind. But that's actually going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.